And we have arrived in beautiful Chicago. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony.
My name is Brianna.
And we are This is Pevia. And we have arrived. We are officially in the Windy City. We are staying downtown at the London House. And aside from a few like little mix-ups and things like that with check-in, for the most part, I mean, the views kind of speak for themselves here. Like, it's been really good. The room is fantastic.
I love it. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to get our time here going.
Yes. We've been waiting for this trip for about 5-6 months now, and we actually booked this trip before we found out we're pregnant. Yes. So now we got a little baby here with us on the journey.
A big baby coming in strong.
So we are 16 weeks as of this week of filming this. But we're excited to be here. Chicago, home to the Cubs, the Riverwalk downtown, and of course, deep dish pizza. So we got all of that planned for this trip here. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And like the video.
Like the video. Let's get to it.
Time of my life, everything is going alright. Well, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good life. Good life. I'ma do me, I can't do it no different. Gold shades tinted, yeah, I got the right vision, yeah. I won't let you down. We about to paint the town. Got the people all around. We been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down. Yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now. Yeah, we wild out the house with the tunes loud. On top of the clouds, looking round. Yo, how we ever getting down? Oh, I'm just going with the flow.
Okay. When you're in Chinatown, the wife always has to go find a candy store. Which one is this, babe?
I don't know what it's called. I don't think Chinese.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good life.
All right, so we are now back at the hotel. We just freshened up and changed. Brianna is looking all kinds of fine.
Thank you.
And we are getting ready to head upstairs to our rooftop reservation.
And I'm exhausted. I'm a pregnant grandma. I want to go to bed already.
She's been doing good. We have been doing a lot of walking today, but she's been doing good. She's been keeping up. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. It's my baby mama right there.
Yep, I feel pregnant. And that's daddy.
So we were definitely told to check out London House, primarily and in large part due to the rooftop up here, and I think it's safe to say that it came through. It wasn't a disappointment. This is so far in the first day the best part of the day.
the perfect way to end the first day.
Look at our robes. London house. Ooh.
So, I think it's time to try some of Chicago's Chinatown finest candy.
I'm so excited. Oh, because I don't want to open these yet. But these are like cookies, so we'll put those back. Let's just taste a few of the fruit ones. Easy. Strawberry gummy candy. And it looks like this. Oh, it's not focusing. There it goes. Okay, strawberry.
Are we trying the same one?
Oh yeah.
Did we just grab the same one? Okay.
Yeah. So it's just a gummy.
How do you say that in Chinese? I have no idea. Wait, you didn't even wait for me! Gosh! Oh, that one's good.
What do you compare it to?
It's almost like a lifesaver.
The red lifesaver.
The red lifesaver, yeah. But it's a little more. It has a little more flavor to it. Like it lasts longer than a lifesaver. I feel.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Okay, one more. Because we can't do them all today. Mango?
I'll do a mango. Yeah.
Okay, we'll both do mango.
Mango it is.
Okay, so this one is called... Yeah, I don't know.
However y'all want to say it.
They're all in Chinese. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, this one has... Let me show you guys. This one has like... It's not focusing, but it has like little gummies in it. It looks weird. Let's taste it.
Hopefully it's good. Cheers.
So, the flavor is good, but it feels like you're eating plastic.
Yeah, it's almost like plastic. That's it for day one. We're gonna get some rest, and we'll see y'all in the morning. I don't think that view will ever get old. Good morning. To be honest, I didn't want to get up this morning. I think neither one of us did. We were so tired. We did a lot yesterday, more than what we thought we did. And the alarm went off this morning, and I was so tempted to just hit snooze and say, let's stay in this beautiful room all day long. How'd you sleep, babe?
I slept very good. Hotel beds are...
The best.
I get the best sleep. So I feel good.
Yeah.
I'm doing my makeup, so if I look crazy, sorry.
Yeah, me too. I gotta do my makeup. Yeah. Today we got a full day planned coming up. We're gonna do a lot of the touristy stuff. But first, we gotta get ready.
Careful who you cross, careful who you test. Give me your worst and you'll get my best. Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down.
So, a little bit of baby update. Again, we are 16 weeks as of this week here in Chicago. When we originally set up and planned this trip, we knew we were gonna do a lot of walking, but now that Mama Bear is carrying, you okay? Is it too much walking?
So the walking's not bad for me. It's good to get exercise, but I'm like tired and we just started the day.
It's okay, we're gonna stop, take breaks whenever we need to. First thing we've got on the agenda is Sears Tower Sky Deck.
I am a fighter. I am a fighter.
There goes my wife. All right, so we are all checked in to the Sky Deck. We're currently going through the little tour area. It's a breakdown of city history, how it was redeveloped after the Great Fire in 1871. And so now we're just kind of going through the little museum part before we head up to the Sky Deck upstairs.
I told Tony that I feel nervous.
Baby nervous. Hey guys, so we're here on top of the Chicago Sky Deck and we ran into Kiani. And where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil. Chicago Sky Deck getting love from everyone here.
Yeah. We are on the way to go see the bean. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Bean. Yeah, I'm excited.
I did an outfit change and now we're gonna go see the bean.
Let's go.
We made it.
We made it. Baby?
Where are we at?
We are at Portillo's and this is the famous sausage beef sandwich and I got mine wet because that's how I was told to get it.
I just got a chili cheese dog. Yeah.
We're about to find out.
Ooh, take a bite, take a bite.
Wow. Oh. Yum. Whew, I'm full. So, I think we got different opinions on it. So, I got the Italian beef sausage. Mine was great. 10 out of 10. It was loaded. The peppers were fantastic. I did get it dipped or wet, as they call it.
I think that was a game changer. It was great. I loved it.
And mine was good too, but I think like I'm tasting weird food different. You know, I'm not hungry basically ever, so it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I have to come here over like around the world for this. but it was good.
Yeah, we still got deep dish, so we'll see how that goes.
Yeah. All right, guys, it is nice and toasty and sunny here in Chicago.
Yes.
Way better than San Antonio though. No shade, San Antonio. We are on the Chicago Architecture Boat Tour. So excited. It's about an hour-long boat tour, and it takes us over the sky, like through downtown
area.
Downtown, sorry.
It gives like a history, like architecture lesson and history of downtown. So we're really excited about it. We heard good things about it.
Wrapped up in the color, wrapped up in the color. Do I know him like a father? Gone cold, now you're running. Stacking ladders on the money. It hurts bad when you're falling. Now my back is to the rope, 70 off the loop. Is anyone saying that I'm underdressed? I can't help but to provoke. Stratosphere making you choke. Is anyone saying they're in need of rest? Holding on to another and I think I'm back. The choice is yours, but all these things will pass. Making knowing that only my love will last. Wrapped in the color, but it's not all bad. Heavenly Father, it's his best I can. Splitting my time's gonna pull me. Now my back is to the rope, 70 off the.
This is so amazing, guys. The view, the scenery. Y'all gotta check out the architecture. It's cool. What are you liking it? It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, bring your girls, guys.
Saying they're in need of rest.
Guys, I cannot get enough of this view. So, most of the pregnancy for us, other than still being in shock on on that part of it, Brianna's been actually having a lot of sickness. She's been really sick, really tired. Like fatigue has really hit her hard.
Which I know is very normal because when I put it on Instagram, so many mamas message me like that were even worse than me.
Yeah, so it's a common thing, and I think we weren't really prepared for that. Even her, she'll lay down, she'll take a nap, and then she'll wake up. She's like, I don't understand why I'm so tired. And neither one of us really expected that. Like, we knew of it, but we didn't know how soon it would hit and how hard it would hit. And so, she's been really going through a lot of that. But at the same time, she's still able to get up, enjoy herself, be here. We've done a lot of walking, and it's actually... she's really tired, but I'm actually proud of her. At the same time, she wants to go, she wants to see things, she wants to get out and do things, and she's always been that way. So she usually wears me out whenever we go on vacation. So
this time it's like me, like
this time it's swapped.
We had to go up like 10 stairs, and I told Tony, oh my God.
Again, we're here back in the hotel room, and
it's about 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And guess what's coming?
We just ordered deep dish pizza. I've been waiting for this. Like, I'm kind of mad. It's the second night we're here, 2 full days through of being here, and we're barely getting to some pizza right now.
Yes. We were gonna go, so They say it's between Giordanos or Lou Malnatis.
Yeah.
Lou Malnatis, I can't say it right.
Malnatis,
But
yes.
we had multiple people tell us to go with the Lou place. So there's one like right across the river from us at the by the
Right
Trump
across the
Hotel.
river.
Like,
So
literally.
again, this view, guys, like
Dang.
we are right on the river, and the pizza place, GPS said it was like right over here somewhere. So
So they're delivering it to our room, which makes me one happy mama, because I'm tired.
Mama needs to eat.
Yeah. Look what's here. Ooh.
You ready for this? You ready? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. I don't think they're ready, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
That is a deep dish pizza.
Look at that.
We'll taste and then check back in. Look at that cheese pool. How is it, baby?
Mm.
He looks drunk.
Drunk off this. Us came to Chicago about 5 years ago. I've been waiting all 5 years to have that pizza again.
Oh.
And now that I've had it again, Papa John's, Domino's, Pizza Hut, oh, it's all ruined for me once again.
I'm in a food coma. I think I still have stuff in my teeth.
Can we move
Baby.
to Chicago?
Is happy.
Baby, little baby happy. He had his first deep dish. Can we move to Chicago just for the pizza?
No, with all the walking we've done.
Sadly, tomorrow is our last day here,
Already.
but we're gonna make the most of it. It's flying by way too fast. Needs to slow down. But as far as tonight, we're pretty exhausted, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a night, and we will see y'all in the morning.
In the morning. Bye.
Good morning,
Morning.
guys. It is our last full day here in Chicago.
And we are on Rodeo Drive. Just
Yeah.
kidding.
We are walking down Michigan Avenue right now. For those of you that don't know, Michigan Avenue is the Rodeo Drive of LA, the 5th Avenue of New York. And so, yeah, we live in the high life right now. We can go, we can walk.
We're walking, people.
Yeah, we're walking across the street right now. And we're going to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. This is ours.
Okay.
So.
Tony's gonna tell you a story about the Starbucks place.
Okay. So we ordered our food, right? We're sitting there waiting off to the side, and then he calls out the name, Brianna. So I go up there and I grab what's the tray that's there, and I bring it back to the table. I didn't realize until I brought it back to the table that it wasn't ours. So, like, Not even 30 seconds later, he calls for another Brianna, and we look at each other, we're like, and then we look down and realize this doesn't have our yogurt that we ordered. This isn't what we ordered.
My face was literally like, it's okay.
I feel bad because they had to remake this for someone else, and of course they can't take it back right now with COVID and everything. So I'm just like, we got all this stuff now.
That's a Pevia thing.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good life. Good life. I'ma do me, I can't do it no different. Gold shades tinted, yeah, I got the right vision, yeah. I won't let you down, we about to paint the town. Got the people all around, we been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down. Yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now. Yeah, we wild out the house with the tunes loud. On top of the clouds, looking round. Yo, how we ever getting down? Oh, I'm just going with the flow. Hey, you just gotta let me.
Again, this is Giordanos. We're gonna do a taste test.
I couldn't wait.
I think that says it on. Is it good? So, ready for this one?
Get that in writing, ayy. And tell them everybody invited. I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good life.
Alright guys, so I'm a little bit lost for words. I think Giordanos is better. Brianna has a different opinion though.
I give it a tie because the taste was almost identical, like so good. The only difference is that since we got Lou Malnatis takeout, it was a little bit colder, not as fresh. So today it was like right out of the oven. So I guess the freshness, yeah, Giordanos. But I think the flavor and like the quality and everything of both places, I would say you have to do both while you're here, because now all I want is deep dish pizza.
I think the flavor was pretty even in both of them. It was good. It's like a lot in the taste. I don't know, I gotta go with Giordanos on this one.
But guys, look at this view. We're leaving Chicago.
It's a sad morning, guys.
This was our 1-year anniversary mixed with kind of like our last big travel before baby, which I guess could be like baby moon, and just our summer trip. So
Yeah.
it was so good. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, we're really tired. We did a lot of walking.
And comment, where should we go with a baby? Because we're those crazy people that want to take a baby on a plane.
We're traveling with a baby, yeah. I mean, like, we might have to adjust a little bit when the baby
Obviously.
gets here, but other than that, we're not stopping traveling. So, and of course, leave your predictions in the comments. Let us know what y'all think it is, what y'all want. Team boy, team girl, what direction are we going? Again, thank you guys for staying until the end of the video here. If you made it all the way, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and until next time, we'll see you then.